Remember that video I made about my dog, Marmalade, trying to eat a watermelon whole? I woke up one morning and bam! It had 100,000 views. My phone was blowing up. Friends were texting. I even got a message from my Aunt Carol. Of course, the first thing I wondered was, how much money did I make? Was I suddenly rich? Could Marmalade retire from being a dog and live a life of luxury? Well, the answer, like most things in life, is a little complicated. Here's the deal. YouTube doesn't just hand you a wad of cash for every 1,000 views. It's all about ads. Yep, those things you skip after 5 seconds. You see, when you join the YouTube Partner Program, you can start showing ads on your videos. Every time someone watches or clicks on an ad on your video, you get a cut of the money. Simple, right? Well, not so fast. There are a few more things to consider. First off, not all ads are created equal. Some ads pay more than others. For example, those unskippable ads that make you want to throw your phone across the room, yeah, those tend to pay a bit more. Then there are sponsored segments, where YouTubers directly integrate a brand into their video. These deals are negotiated separately and can be very lucrative. The point is, the type of ad matters. A video with 1 million views, but only showing those little banner ads at the bottom? It's not going to make as much as a video with half the views, but featuring a big, fancy, unskippable ad. Here's another thing. Where your viewers live matters. Advertisers pay different amounts depending on the country. 1,000 views from the United States will generally earn you more than 1,000 views from, say, Nepal. It's all about economics, folks. Advertisers are willing to pay more to reach people in countries with higher advertising budgets. So if you're making videos about American football, chances are you'll earn more than if you're making videos about, I don't know, competitive knitting. No offense to competitive knitters, of course. Section 5. Show me the money. Real-world YouTube earnings. This is the part you've all been waiting for, where we dive into the nitty-gritty of how much you can actually earn from YouTube. Okay, I know what you're thinking. Just tell me how much money I can make. It's the million-dollar question, right? Well, I can't give you an exact number. The truth is, YouTube earnings can be as unpredictable as the weather. It's different for everyone and depends on all those factors we just talked about. Your niche, audience engagement, ad rates, and even the time of year can all play a role. But I can give you a ballpark figure. This should give you a rough idea of what to expect. On average, YouTubers can make anywhere from $3 to $5 per 1,000 views. This is a general estimate and can vary widely. So, for 100,000 views, you're looking at maybe $300 to $500. Not too shabby, right? Now, before you quit your day job and buy a yacht, remember that this is just an average. There are many variables at play. Some YouTubers make way more, and some make way less. It's a mixed bag, and success can depend on a multitude of factors. So keep your expectations realistic and focus on creating great content. Section 6. Case Study. MrBeast's $1 Million Videos. Take MrBeast, for example. That guy gives away money like it's going out of style. His videos regularly get tens of millions of views, and he's probably making bank. But he's also investing a ton of money back into his videos. Those elaborate sets, crazy challenges, and cash prizes don't come cheap. The point is, there's no one-size-fits-all answer when it comes to YouTube earnings. It's a complex equation with a lot of variables.
I feel nauseous, believe me.
Section 7. The hustle is real. More views, more money? Now you might be thinking, if I get more views, I'll make more money. And you're not wrong. Generally speaking, more views do equal more money. But it's not always that simple. You see, YouTube cares about more than just views. They also care about watch time, how long people are watching your videos, audience engagement, like likes, comments, shares, and channel growth, such as new subscribers. So, if you want to maximize your earnings, you need to focus on creating high-quality content that keeps people hooked. Don't just chase views with clickbait titles and misleading thumbnails. Make videos that people actually want to watch. Research trending topics and understand what your audience is interested in. Engage with your viewers by responding to comments and asking for their feedback. Collaborate with other creators to reach new audiences and grow your channel. Keep an eye on your analytics to see what works and what doesn't. Celebrate your milestones and keep pushing forward. Consistency is key, so plan your content and stick to a schedule. Bring energy and passion to your videos, and your audience will feel it too. Remember, YouTube is a platform for learning and entertainment, so make content that educates, entertains, and inspires. With dedication and hard work, more views can indeed lead to more money. Section 8. Want to make money on YouTube? Listen to this. If you're serious about making money on YouTube, here are a few tips. 1. Find your niche. This is crucial because it helps you stand out in a crowded space. What are you passionate about? What excites you and keeps you motivated? What do you know a lot about? Your expertise can be a valuable asset. Focus on creating content around a specific topic or theme. 2. Be consistent. Upload videos regularly. Consistency helps build a loyal audience. The more videos you have, the more chances people have to find you. 3. Promote your channel. Don't just rely on YouTube's algorithm. Share your videos on social media. Use platforms like Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook to reach a wider audience. Embed them on your website if you have one. This can drive traffic from your site to your YouTube channel. And tell your friends and family. Word of mouth can be surprisingly effective. 4. Engage with your audience. Respond to comments, answer questions, and make your viewers feel valued. Run contests and giveaways. These can boost engagement and attract new subscribers. And 5. Be patient. Building a successful YouTube channel takes time and effort. It's a marathon, not a sprint. Don't expect to get rich quick. Stay dedicated, keep improving, and success will follow. Section 9. Keep creating. Keep growing. Look, making money on YouTube isn't easy. It takes hard work, dedication, and a little bit of luck, but it's definitely possible. And who knows, maybe one day you'll be the one writing an essay about how much YouTube paid you for 100,000 views. Just don't forget about your old pal John when you're rolling in that sweet, sweet YouTube money. Just kidding, but seriously, don't forget about me.